Okay, so I'm here to tell you how easy it is to unlock your iPhone 8 with Sprint. So this iPhone used to be with Sprint. It's dedicated to their network, and what that means is it's locked into their network, which means that you can only use their network when you use this phone, right? So when you So I'm trying to unlock the phone so that I can give it to a friend who's going to use it on a different network. So here's how simple it is. So basically, this is on the Sprint page. It actually gives you a number that you can call, and I called this number right here on Sprint, or you can dial like *2 if you have the Sprint mobile thing on your phone. So I did that. I got this really nice lady. Her name was Taylor, actually, and Taylor was great. And all I told her was, look, I have this phone. I had a problem. It froze during the update, but now I got it solved. My friend helped me solve that. Well, he actually solved it. And got the update to work, and I said, well, basically this was just a hunk of metal laying on my dining room table, so if you want this phone, that's great. And he's like, yeah, that's cool, but I don't have Sprint, so can you unlock it? So you call that number, you talk to somebody, you tell them that you want to unlock the phone, okay? So what they're going to do, though, is tell you to give them some information. First, you're going to have to give them the PIN for your account number and everything like that, so have your PIN ready so that you can identify yourself, and tell them what phone number this had been associated with, what the name of the device is, and they'll tell you whether or not the device is unlockable. Now the iPhone 8 is. So then you're going to go to settings, okay? So you go to settings, and under settings you'll go to about. So you'll hit about, and then I don't really want to show you the number, but you'll go down to here where it says, they'll ask you for this information, IMEI, and then there's a string of numbers opposite that, and you'll give the person on the line the string of numbers, and that will identify to them the device and that sort of thing. Then that's it, basically. They may put you on hold a couple times while they're verifying information and whatnot. Then they'll get back to you, and once they do that, they'll ask you for an email address so you can be notified when the device is unlocked. Okay, so the device will be unlocked. They said they'll send the email within 24 to 72 hours, and then the device is unlocked, and you can use it with any carrier. And so yeah, that's it. That's as simple as it is with Sprint anyway, to unlock your iPhone 8 Plus, and that's what we did. So yeah, great. So a phone that was basically dead because it froze during the last update is now able to be used again, in this case by my friend who was able to, Joe, who was able to get the update to work. So there you have it. Nothing to worry about. So if this video is helpful to you, then you can go ahead and send it to somebody else and share it. Hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel if you that would really super help me. So if you want to help me, subscribe to the channel, and of course any comments below I'll try to answer. I don't have all the answers, but the ones that I do, I am absolutely willing to share. So have a great day, and good luck.